A brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, teaching you guys Python. So here we are. For the start, we're going to go over the print function. So no capitalization and at all. So it's just print, and then not printf, print, and then parentheses, quotations, and then whatever's in the quotations, it will print out. So I'm going to do hello world. Print that out. And so now it says hello world. So you can do this multiple times. And it doesn't really matter which in it. Just make sure you have both of them, and you can't do this and then that. And it also accepts single line quotes. So yeah, as you can see, it definitely accepts single line quotes. So that's a print function. And I'm gonna print hello world out. Hello world out. So for the Python video, here we are with comments. So comments. So for a comment, just use use a hashtag, which is shift3, and whatever the code ignores it. So or so the code does not care about comments, and so if you have a spelling error, it will ignore it. And I'm gonna do print function. Oh yeah, and the print function is a function. Now, and we're going to be coming back to that print function. So as you can see, code doesn't care about the comments. So now we're going to do variables. So a variable, you don't have to use local var const or let. You just assign a variable with whatever the variable name is, and then an equal sign, which is defining the variable, and then whatever you want. So I'm gonna do hello subscribe. So and use the print function again. We're going to do print. So print, where we'll print hello or x actually, and then it says hello and subscribe. So other ways you can do health, like for a game, health equals 100, and then print health and then hit Control B. But if this happens to you where you have x is assigned to that and you print x out, or no, then you reassign x something else, redefine x, and let's do x is now high, or high. So now we're going to print x out, and you get high. Why is that? Well, that's because you defined x hello and hello subscribe, and then you redefine it to high, and then you print it after you redefine it. But if you print it before you redefine it, I messed up on that. So before you redefine it, it's going to print hello and subscribe, and then you print it after you redefine it. It's going to print hello, subscribe, and then hi everyone, and subscribe. So here we are. Hi everybody. Hi everyone, and subscribe. So you printed it out before and after. So that's like basically you can redefine it and define it and then redefine it, and you can do this multiple times. So that's always fun. Now we're on to a longer one called lists and stuff like that. We're going to be moving on with some other ones, and maybe in this video, because right now it's only 4 minutes, so it's going off to a good start. So for a list, you go list, I'm gonna call it list one, and you do bracket, and you can do single line or double line. I usually do single line. I'm gonna do hello, subscribe, like, and click the bell. So nothing really happens, but I'm gonna print this out, print list one, and it's going to do the list. Now here's the thing with the list that's nice. So we're gonna print the list, and then we're going to do list one. To add something to the list, you do list one dot append, and to append this, if you want to append something like hi, you have to put that in quotes. And if you want to append a variable, you do the variable name, not in quotes. And if you want to append a number, you do like just the number. So I'm gonna do bye, and then we're gonna print the list again. So now it does hello, subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Then it's going to do hello, subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bye. So that's a list. Well, now a set. A list, actually, back to the list really quickly. You'll use lists a lot in probably a lot in game making and random stuff like with the module, which we'll learn about later in the tutorial. But a set is where you do, I'm gonna call it set one, is where you don't do brackets, you do curly brackets, and you can do the same thing. Hi, hello, and where hi, hello, I'm gonna do hello, subscribe. But here's the thing, you can't do set one dot append. You can't add or remove things from sets. But you can print them. But they're not changeable. You cannot change them. Subscribe. This is a set. You can change them, but you can't add or remove things from them. So that goes the same for tuples. A tuple is where you do like a list or a set, but you use parentheses. And again, you cannot append, add or remove things from a tuple. So hi, this is a tuple, and now let's print this out. Tuple one. So yes, that's a tuple, and you cannot add or remove things from a tuple. So yeah, that's going to. Oh, by the way, also when you're creating a Python file, don't do .python, just do .py. But subscribe, like, and hit that bell. See you next time. Yeah. Stick around for any other ones too, other tutorials. Bye.